Um, Bitcoin took a massive hit after the pump that wiped out all the shorts from Jerome Powell. We had the dump. During the dump, we had a bunch of stuff happening. We even touched the $127 million worth of liquidations at 110. We went down to 108, so we got a bunch of other liquidations. Look at this, 20, $30 million. This is this is so much money wiped out from the market. And we just closed these liquidations and started pumping. What is happening? Where do I see the chart? First, 113,900 is a level I want to mark out on my chart. This is where $114 million worth of liquidations lie. So that's interesting. That's interesting. You want to keep track of these things. You need to. Right here, what I think so 113, sorry, I got distracted because of a trade. 113.9. Let's go here, switch Kikinashi, 113.9. 113.9 is here. So basically right here we have liquidations, which I do believe very soon will go towards right here. And we do have predominantly longs. On the 1 hour chart, it's a little bit more accurate to see the net longs and shorts position based on how I've set them up. And we do have longs taking over, and they took over basically here. So here you have VWAP control on the bulls, plus you have net longs control on the bulls. That's very, very good. So that was an easy buy, by the way. And it was at just before New York Open, basically at 8 a.m. This is where money comes in. This is a very smart place to start trading in. But what do we do now? That ended. That opportunity ended. We took advantage of it. If you go to the signals chat, you see I bought some. Look at this. At 1 a.m. So I've started buying at 1 a.m., which is basically here. I bought here. There was another wipeout, shakeout, didn't shake me out, and we did make money. So it was still a good time to trade. But right now is a very, very important time. If you have a bull thesis, you want to defend these levels. The issue I see is that there's so many stacked longs here that when you see stacked longs here, you normally wipe them out, just like the stock short. So 109 to 107.4 is basically we want to see those flushed. 109 from here to here. We want to see these shorts below the longs below this daily low, yesterday's daily low wiped. We want to see all of them flushed, so we can go to the upside. Of course, we can go here, take out these shorts, and then dump here. This will be. There's a lot of things that will come into play, but I do think that first we'll go here, wipe shorts, and then go to the dump. Because longs just being predominant here, and longs they're not that strong. They're not above 80. I made it like an RSI scale, the longs and shorts, to show strength. But yeah, if we defend VWAP on the 1 hour, we can definitely go towards it. Here's some P&L. 260 grand profit on BOOX, 29 grand on a new wallet. If you want to follow every single trade I have, and there's a bunch of trades, you can see profit. Here I show my P&L balance, I show issues I have with exchanges, and a lot of other stuff. Use the links in the description down below. Also in the link in the description down below, you'll find a link for WEEX. WEEX are giving away a bunch of stuff. They're giving away a red Bentley Bentayga, $2 million worth of futures bonuses, season 2 bonuses. They also have a ROLEX giveaway, Apple Vision Pro giveaway, Nintendo Switch, MacBook, iPhone, AirPods, and a bunch of other stuff. Definitely worth checking out. I'll have all the links in the description down below. You want exchanges that will reward you for trading, not just take from you in fees, but just give back to the community. If you're gonna trade anyway, why not reward yourself, or let the exchange reward you? Subscribe so you can join the community. I love you, know my heart. 50k subscribers, that's great. See you next video. Bye.